Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We're just gonna jump right into it. We finally found our perfect microphone. Yay!
Yes.
This one, wireless go-to by Rode. We're gonna have the description down below. My husband's gonna talk a little bit more about it.
So yes, we probably bought like 3 or 4 different microphones trying to save money. We didn't want to spend too much money starting out a YouTube channel, but they were terrible. They would cut off. Some videos were completely silent, and this is different ones. So I finally decided to go ahead and spend a little bit more and bought this Rode, which is awesome. We had excellent results. This is what we are using now. And this guy came out.
Oops, hold on, mine is here.
Okay. And I'm going to go over. It's very simple, very easy to use. So what comes in the box? We have one receiver and 2 transmitters. We have the 3 fur windshields, and we have the 3 USB cables with C end, and the 1 cable to connect to your camera, and the 1 carry pouch. So in order to charge the transmitters, you need to buy one of these chargers with the USB end. So the USB end goes here, and the C end goes on the transmitter like so. You plug it to an outlet and it's going to start charging. See that blinking light? That means it's charging. Once it's solid, it's already charged. This product is very simple to use. It's got a button here, and you press it for 3 seconds until you see the lights going. The solid light is charged. The other one is trying to pair. This is the transmitter. The receiver, you also press this for 3 seconds. And now it's going. So you see the bar, how it's going. The transmitter is catching my voice and is going to the receiver. Now you have 1 and you have 2. So we're going to turn the other one, the second one, on. And now you see 1 and 2. And you can tell when I talk that is catching my voice. I did that on purpose, okay? You can see that the bars go up as I talk. Now, they have clips to clip on your shirt or your blouse, and the receiver has the clip that you can put on. I bought this adapter in Amazon, and it's hooked up to my gimbal. So what I do is I slide it and connect my phone to over here. Or you connect it to the camera like so. And this is when this cable come handy. You plug it here and you plug it to your microphone on your camera. And you're all set to go. So how do I connect the phone to the receiver? I bought this cable in Amazon, and I'll put the link below. It's got the two C ends. So this L-like end, I connect to the phone. So there is no, if I buy it straight, it was going to take more room here when I mount it on my gimbal. So this way, it's better. And then this end goes on the receiver. And there you have it. So to connect the fur windshield, it's got the two dots and the two dots, and you kind of snap it and turn, and is there, secured. I hope you like this video. We're going to start reviewing products that we have purchased from Amazon, and we absolutely love the products. We started out with this one. This is, you know, for our YouTube channel. This is awesome. The gimbal that we purchased is also a good one. We'll talk about that and just other products around the house and stuff. So, Vicky, you want to say, oh, wait a minute. Vicky,
I'm here.
I love you.
I love you too.
So anyway, thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. And to all of those that have, thanks for your support. Bye. Until next time.
And